Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we've got some orzo. These are like small little pastas. These are made in Italy. Some grated Parm cheese, some olive oil, some seasonings, some crushed tomatoes, green and black olives, and of course, about 10 cloves of garlic. Hey, Mike Foster here, ready for a fast, simple, and easy, delicious Italian meal to get you going. This is going to be easy. This is my orzo, olive, and garlic pasta. It's going to be delicious. Orzo is like a tiny little pasta. I'm going to show you how easy this thing is going to be. So, let's get cooking. All right, here's a clove of garlic. For me, the easiest way to do it is you give it a smasheroo like this. Give it a good smash. See that? You see it like that? And then the skin, the peel, comes right off like that. So I'm going to do this to all 10 cloves. Then I'm going to chop this baby up. All right, these are all ready. I'm just going to give them a chop like this. You can sit there and try to go like this and do really, nah. We'll give them a little chop up. And you can hear that water's almost ready to boil, which is nice. Once these are all chopped up, meet you at the stove. Put this simple, delicious recipe together. Can't wait. All right, this is heated to medium. A little olive oil. Well, more than a little because we're going to use a lot of olive oil in this dish. Just put that garlic down. All right, mix that up a bit. Make sure it's not too hot. You don't want to brown this too much. I'm going to give this about 4 minutes, then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. All right, that looks good. I'm going to start adding olives. These are green olives that I'm going to break up with my hands when I put them in. Some will remain whole. That's the whole idea. Keep it at this temperature and then we'll lower it after we incorporate. Get those babies in. All right. A little more olive oil. Olive oil, olives. It's olivey. Now here's the black olives. See them? Oh yeah. That's a baby if I ever saw one. We likey. All right. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. Bring it up a little. I love olives. I love olive oil. I love garlic. I couldn't be happier than right now. So bring this up a little. Now I'm going to put the crushed tomatoes in it. These are San Marzano. That should do it right there. This is coming up fast. All right, calm down. Oh, is that gorgeous looking? My God, is that good looking. Now let's season this bad boy. We're going to put some pepper in. That's the pepper. Some salt. Just 4. Guess what? Some garlic powder. That's crazy. I love garlic. You know it. Notice I didn't put any onions in it, so I'm doing these onion flakes. They're gorgeous. Minced. That gives a really good oniony flavor. We got the oregano. Remember, oregano was the best Italian spice out there. And basil is pretty good too. There you go. Alright, let's give this a mix about. Keep it simmering. I got that orzo in. Just about to start. It takes about 9 minutes to cook orzo. How's it look so far? I think it looks heavenly. We'll give it a taste a little later. Make sure it's at a good temperature so that it just simmers. Now I'm going to take some pasta water right here. Add a little in there. Not the pasta. There. That'll help thicken it. I'm gonna add this little grated Parm cheese in here. Oh yeah. All right, here's the fun part. This Orzo is done. We're gonna put it in. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, it's barely enough room. All right, let's incorporate this in. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is Orzo Gorgio. Oh, keep incorporating it. Yeah, I like it. All right. What else do you need? Cheese. I think I made enough for my wife and I for the next month. But I'll eat it. She probably will eat it once and say, okay, what else can I have? That's just a little insight. And then, just for fun, a little olive oil. Yeah, we don't have enough. Just get that all incorporated. Well, is that gorgeous? I'm gonna let this sit, simmer for another few minutes, and I'll serve it up, but I can't wait to take a bite and let you know how it tastes. I'll see you at the table. That's right. All right, there's the finished product of the olive garlic Orzo delight. Can't wait for a bite. All right, there it is. You saw the close-up. It's still steaming hot. That's delicious. The Orzos just melt in your mouth. You can taste all those seasonings. What really comes through, you get a bite of the garlic, and there's like a bite of olives in each spoonful. And if you love olives, I love them. It's awesome. It's actually healthier for you than you think. Not when it's this hot, though. And of course, a little grated Parmesan cheese never hurt anybody. I know it hasn't hurt me. Yet. Wow. Check this one out. And check out all my videos at Live Life 365 on my YouTube channel. And keep living life 365. Until next time, peace, Orzo.
Live life 365.
That's really good. It's too hot right now. Gotta let it cool out before I tell my wife. It's the sweet baboo. I gotta tell you, I screwed up. I wasn't supposed to put tomatoes in this. She's gonna get mad at me. It's good with tomatoes, but I was gonna make one just without tomatoes. So, to be continued, I'll make one of those without tomatoes, and let me know any recipes, anything that you guys want or interested in. You know, I've got over 1,000 videos, and you know, it's a lot of work. I've been doing this for 12 years. I like doing it, but give me your ideas. And then we can just, gosh, it's hot, man. Baba. Just give me a bite. You want a bite, Mikey? Come on, take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite.